Hello and welcome to the complete Python data science course. In this video, we will discuss popular Python frameworks and libraries for different areas. This includes data science, web development, and machine learning.
After learning the basics of Python, the next step is understanding popular frameworks and libraries used to build real-world applications. Python supports many different development areas. For desktop applications, libraries like Tkinter, PyQt, Kivy, WXPython, and PyGUI help developers create graphical software for computers. For web applications, popular frameworks include Django, Flask, Bottle, Tornado, and Pyramid, which are used to build websites and web APIs. Python can also be used for mobile app development using frameworks like Kivy and Beware. In game development, libraries such as Pygame, Pygame 0, and Arcade help developers build interactive games. Python is also widely used in data analytics and data science with powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Finally, for machine learning and AI, frameworks such as TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and PyTorch are commonly used. In this tutorial, we will learn and practice only data analysis and machine learning libraries. So after learning Python basics, the next step is to choose a development area and start learning the libraries used in that field.